Once upon a time, in the magical land of Tickleton, laughter wasn't just fun, it was power. Every giggle, chuckle, and belly laugh lit up the town and kept things running smoothly. The streetlights glowed brighter when kids told silly jokes, the flying bicycles zoomed faster when people laughed, and even the rivers bubbled with cheerful giggles. But one day, something strange happened. The Giggle Globe, the magical orb that powered all the laughter in Tickleton, stopped glowing. The streetlights dimmed, the bicycles fell to the ground, and even the rivers grew quiet. At the town square, Mayor Chuckles stood on a wobbly crate, wringing his hands. "The Giggle Globe is missing," he announced to a gathering of wide-eyed citizens. "Without it, our town will lose its magic. We need brave adventurers to find it and to prove they can bring the laughter back to Tickleton." From the crowd stepped Pip the playful penguin, Mimi the magical mouse, and Jax the jumping frog. "We'll find the Giggle Globe," Pip declared, his little wings flapping. "Tickleton needs us." Mimi twitched her whiskers. "I'll use my silly spells to help. And I'll bounce us over any trouble," Jax added with a big leap. The crowd cheered well, as much as they could without the Giggle Globe, and the three friends set off on their quest. The first challenge, the grumpy dragon. The friends followed a trail of faint giggles leading into the Gigglewood forest. Deep in the forest, they found a large, sleepy dragon named Snorzalot, who had scales as shiny as gold but a frown as big as the moon. Snorzalot was sprawled across the path, blocking the way forward. "Excuse us, Mr. Dragon," Pip said politely. "We're on a mission to save Tickleton." Snorzalot opened one eye and rumbled, "No one passes unless they can make me laugh. And good luck, nothing has made me giggle in years." "Nothing?" Jax asked, bouncing nervously. "Not even knock-knock jokes," Mimi added. "Not even knock-knock jokes," Snorzalot grumbled. This was a tough one. Pip whispered, "Kids, we need your help. Can you come up with the funniest joke you know to make Snorzalot laugh?" As the kids shared their jokes, Pip tried a few. "Why don't penguins like talking on the phone? Because they don't want to wing it." "What do you call a mouse who can sing? A mouse-ishin." Finally, one of the jokes made Snorzalot snort, then chuckle, then roar with laughter.